Model 2014 Renault Trafic SL27dCi 115 Sport needs turbo no VAT. Body silver, panel van. Mileage 133750. MOT the 16th of February 2025. Engine 1996 CCM 9R115E5. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. This is a straightforward, simple turbo replacement job. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, air-con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.